As of January 2024, Google Analytics 4, also known as GA4, is used by 14.2 million websites. Now, is Google Analytics 4 the best analytic tool for all websites? I don't think so. I think it's one of the horrible tools if you're looking for basic analytics for your small business. If you're looking for statistics like page views, sessions, it can be a bit complex to use. But it still can be useful because you might need to share the statistics with some SEOs, or you might need to share it with some ad networks. So it's always good to install Google Analytics 4 even if you're not going to use it comprehensively. The good thing is there are several free alternatives you can use, which we'll look at later. In this video, I'll show you a super simple and easy way to install Google Analytics 4 on your WordPress website in less than 5 minutes. The tool that we'll use to install Google Analytics 4 on our WordPress website is Google Sitekit plugin. This is Google's official WordPress plugin, and with this plugin you can set up Google Search Console, Analytics, Page Speed Insights, AdSense on your WordPress website. Now we are not going to look at all of this. In this video I'll show you how you can set up Analytics very easily using this plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, add new plugins, then search for Google Sitekit. You want to install this particular plugin, Sitekit by Google. Install it, activate it. Once installed, you will see this message, congratulations, Sitekit plugin is now activated. Let's start the setup. You'll come at this screen, setup Sitekit, connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. This is what we need. Check this option, connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. Next, we'll click sign in with Google. Of course, you'll need a Google account for setting up Google Analytics 4 with your WordPress website. So make sure you have a Google account before doing this. We'll sign in with Google using this particular account. Once you're signed into your account, you will see this screen, sign into Sitekit, continue from there. The next thing you need to do is accept this. Sitekit wants additional access to your Google account. Basically all the services of your Google Analytics. So see and download your Google Analytics data, view your Google Tag Manager, view and manage Search Console. Allow access to Google and continue. Now in my case it was already verified in Search Console, that's why giving this option that it's already verified in Search Console, or you will need to set up Search Console over here. Hit next in the second setting. So here it's showing Chipreneur, which is my website, is already added to Search Console. The fourth step is what we need, where it sets up Google Analytics for us. So click next. We come to the screen. It has already pre-filled some information for us for our analytics account. The account name, the property, the web data stream. So these are some default. It's set using your site information. You don't need to bother much about this. The country, time zone. Make sure to enable enhanced measurement, so you get additional measurements such as file download, form completion. You might not use it, but it's always good to activate it in case you need it later on in your Google Analytics. Now we'll create the account. So this will create our account automatically in Google Analytics, set up all this data stream and property for us. We don't need to mess around with any code that we would usually need to do if we were having to install Google Analytics on our WordPress website. Hit create account, choose your particular Google account, sign in to your Sitekit account. We'll come to this page where it has this Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement. Select I accept. And that's it, your analytics account was created with the Sitekit and automatically set up with WordPress. Now once you set up Google Analytics with WordPress, you will see it shows analytics is gathering data. It can take up to 72 hours before it starts showing up for a site, which is typical. It usually takes some time before analytics starts collecting data and showing it on your account. So you will be able to see your traffic stats over here directly in your WordPress under this Sitekit option. If you have connected Search Console, you'll be able to see how your content is doing, your queries. If you have connected Page Speed Insights, you'll be able to see your speed. If you have connected AdSense, you'll be able to see your monetization. So with analytics, the main thing you'll see is this traffic. Now you can see your stats in analytics itself. So go to Google Analytics website, which is analytics.google.com. Once you sign in with that particular Google account that you had for your analytics, you can see your all analytics in this website itself. So right now it's showing no data received from your website because it takes time to start collecting the data, but we'll see it in maybe 1 to 3 days. You'll start seeing all your user conversion, event count. Now in my case, I use Sitekit to connect Google Search Console and Analytics directly from WordPress. But if you only want to connect Analytics, you can do the same. Just install Sitekit and then you can go in settings and just start with the analytics itself. It will go through the same process of connecting your analytics, creating the analytics account and connecting it to WordPress. So that's all it takes to install Google Analytics on your WordPress website in less than 5 minutes, and you don't have to mess around with any code installation on your website. I think Google Analytics 4 sucks compared to the earlier Google Analytics. I just want basic analytics like page views, users, and I need to go through a lot of hoops to just find that information in Google Analytics 4. That's why I prefer some free alternatives. Some of these alternatives are very similar to the earlier Google Analytics. Now I created a video showing 5 such free alternatives. Check this video over here where I show information about these 5 free alternatives. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.